Hi, this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. This is a close-up look at my new designs. These are the Reversible Chevron Waffle Blankets, or Reversible Waffle Chevron Blankets. So it's a chevron style, the ripple style, and it's a waffle style as well. This is the double waffle. You can see we've got two textured stitches next to each other. So it's a double waffle. And these are reversible, so both sides of the blanket are the same texture, and that gives extra plushness and coziness to these designs. Lovely, lovely and fun to work. I'm using a DK weight yarn. I have just some acrylic yarns I am using here that I purchased in New Zealand, and I'm using an H hook for the samples, so a 5mm hook. You can also try maybe using a worsted weight yarn with possibly a larger hook, like a K hook, 6.5mm might be a good option. So again, this is a double reversible waffle, this particular one. You can make these blankets to any dimension, so any width and any length. And also, of course, we have the other style, which is just a traditional waffle blanket. This is the one textured stitch rather than two. So this is just the single waffle style. And again, this one is reversible, same texture on both sides. I'm using the same yarn and hook for this one as well. And this one also you can customize the width and the length, make it to any dimensions. And with this one you can also vary the width of the chevron sections, so you can actually widen these a little bit if you want by 2 or 4 stitches. I've got that note in the pattern so you can actually make them wider. So that's a nice option. You can use this to make a baby blanket, a lapgan, or a full-size throw. So I've finished this blanket, the just reversible waffle style. That one's done, and it's just a nice lapgan size. And I'm still currently working on the double reversible waffle sample, so it's not quite finished, but really fun to work up. So I hope you enjoy these new patterns. I am posting the patterns soon. They're going to be in the 2025 Afghan Club, also available separately on Etsy and Ravelry. I'll put the links in the description box. And also, I filmed a video demo for you, so if you're not 100% confident with just following a written pattern, I've filmed stitch demos for both of these styles. So they're both included in the one pattern, so check them out if you're interested, and happy crocheting!